Good day, this is Johannika from Fullview Solutions, Bitrix24 Gold Partner in South Africa. Today I want us to look at the company feed in your Bitrix24. Some customers refer to it like your social media or Facebook in your company to see what's happening where and do some polls or post some messages. But specifically looking at the company pulse or organizational pulse, it gives you a good overview of the login and the history of are your employees actually using your Bitrix solution. And you can see that in various ways. If you look at the screen at the moment, that is our Bitrix company pulse. You can see the stats of how many activities there's been in the last week. You can hover on the different icons on your graph and it will indicate the differences. And you can also see the breakdown for the different modules. We can look at the social network, the likes on your feed, tasks and projects, are they creating tasks, chats and videos, so you can see we use that intensively. Are you saving documents on the drive for updating documents? Are you using the mobile app, and how many CRM activities you have? So in terms of filters for different items, you can filter by periods to say, have a look at today, the week, the month, and for all of that, it will update on your statistics. You'll see a percentage number over here. That is just in terms of the overall usage of your Bitrix24 and how much you are using it. The other option you have is if you look at this where it says general rating, you can select a specific user and then it will pop up with the breakdown of the different activities. And you can see it says 5 services, so meaning it's CRM, it's tasks, it's chat, it's 5 of the different modules or services in Bitrix24. On the left over here, you've got a slider where you can also select, do I want to report for the company or do I want to report for a specific user? So you can click that and then you can filter between your different users. The reason why this is also helpful is if you have to look at your resource planning to see how many of your users are actually creating tasks, and if it's an overload for one user, then you can spread the load and make sure everybody is getting their fair share of the work to do. You can also use it for employee recognition to see, once again, activities on what's been done. And this helps you to do to make data-driven decisions. So it's just not an idea or a feeling of how they are using the solution. You can actually see it with statistics. So lastly, what I want to show you is how do you get to the company pulse. So if you are in your Bitrix24 and you use your search here right on top and you search for the word feed, you'll see it pops up as a menu item. Let me just minimize that. If I type the word feed, you'll see it appears as a menu item. I can click on it and it takes me to my feed, which is like your social media for your company. You can see birthdays, events, you can have polls. You can see we did it for our year-end function. And then if you look at the right, you can have the company pulse over there. If I select that, it will populate with the relevant data for your usage of Bitrix24. If you have any other questions about the use of your feed in Bitrix24, you're more than welcome to contact us. You can post a comment or you can visit our website. You can go to www.crm24.co.za. Thank you.